Hello, welcome to the Jonathan Acuna Show. Today, we're going to talk about what is a CRM and what are its benefits. By the way, like I was just jamming like to this mix, like Nora and Pure on YouTube, like she has this like mix. It's not kind of going to focus right now. Like that is such a oh my god, the mix is fire right now. So that's what I'm listening to while I'm like. So if you see me like head nodding, you're like, that's why. So we're jamming here. So let's dive into my screen and let's take a look at what is a CRM and how is it going to level up your business. Awesome. So let's get started. John, what is a CRM? I don't even know. What is this? I hear this called CRM, client relationship management. CRM. What is this? Every business has one. It needs one. I know it needs one. What is it? And by the way, who are you to talk about CRM? It's probably the only time I get to talk about this. I'm a senior Salesforce administrator by trade. So I build applications and basically like companies that have a real enterprise companies are making a lot of money. They'll buy Salesforce. And so I'm the guy that comes in and customizes Salesforce, integrates it with all your other business tech stacks, make sure you're getting the biggest and highest ROI, make sure you're getting all the automation and efficiency gains out of it, like making sure you're getting the best bang for your buck because Salesforce is expensive. So we want to make sure we're getting the highest ROI for the business. And so Salesforce is a tool, just like it's basically under the family of CRMs. And that we'll put at the far end. That's like the most expensive, the baller, the Ferrari, that's one way up there. Coming down, not everyone can afford Salesforce, but we need a CRM in our business to help us stay organized. And John, what are we going to organize? Because you keep talking about organizing. What do we organize today? Today, we're going to organize all your customers, your relationships, your leads, all the activities. All of that is going to go inside of a CRM. Basically, it's just an app that allows you to manage all your business relationships and interactions with your customers and your potential customers. But you're like, that's cool. So, what's the purpose of it? So, the goal of it to improve business relationships and help you grow your business. So some of the benefits that you can have from, well, all the benefits that you can have of a CRM are it's going to help you generate more revenue. It's going to help you build supporting relationships. It's going to help you increase the quality of leads and your campaigns. Now, given that you have the right processes and tools in place. And so one of the tools that we're going to look at today is ClickUp as a CRM because it's affordable, it's easy to use, and if you're a small business, especially a solopreneur or even a business owner that's even you're wearing all the hats, a CRM is really going to help you here. So let's start with ClickUp. And the cool thing about ClickUp is there's like templates out there that get you started super easy and fast. So that's where we're going to get started. If you go to Google and you type in and just do ClickUp CRM, this is where I messed up. This article right here, how to create your own CRM in ClickUp. This one, for whatever reason, has like the link to that specific template right here. Um, that's always a little hard to like get to this page. Anyways, so these are all the templates that you have for ClickUp. Templates are awesome because they're pre-configured. So rather than hire someone like me to come in and understand your business needs, understand your business goals, understand what information you're capturing, and what information you need to report for managers and also executives, I would build this custom for you. But for people who don't have access to a CRM administrator, for example, then they can use templates that come with some of the software. Some of the big players out there, I mean, ClickUp's on the very small end. In the mid family, what you really want is something like HubSpot, and then on the premium end, you're going to look at Salesforce. There's many in between and stuff like that, but it's really finding the right tool for your business that meets your budget. So, ClickUp, if we click on Add Template, what this is going to do, I actually already have this in my workspace. Here we go. So a CRM is basically a list of contacts or businesses or accounts that you do business with, leads. And it's going to have all the information related to each lead. It's going to be tracking them in different stages so that we can see here. So you can see closed. This is a stage. So these are opportunities that are closed. You can see opportunities that are in the proposal stage, and there's different stages. We're just breaking them down to the different stages. We have two that are in the demo stage. So the stages would reflect the stages in your sales cycle. So here we can see a sales cycle that qualifies, does a demo, does a proposal, and either close wins or close losses. And so we can see more information about this in our CRM. So we can see, okay, we have let's say hotel number one. Let's take one number going after. We wrote a proposal for this department store. So here we have a department store that's in the proposal stage. We're going to give it and assign it to me, or you can assign it to anyone else in your team. And we're going to make sure that priority, you can set the priority, it's high. It's a big account. We could put any additional information about the account here. You could put pictures, you could paste anything, but here's something cool. These are custom fields here that you could put custom information related to that account, but also that's related to all accounts. Say you want to know, I want to know the account size for all the accounts. I want to know the company revenue for all the accounts. So here you can enter the individual amount for this one lead. And so you can have all this information. Who's the email? Who's the contact? What industry are they in? What's the next step? Where's the status? What payment type? What's the plan? All this information most people are trying to keep in their head, especially if you're a sales rep and you're trying to keep all this information in your head. Dear God, please get all this information out into a CRM to save your sanity and trust. So that's where we're, bam, all information saved. And it's great book. This is a great book of business for the business. If your salesperson leaves, you can take your same CRM, plant in your new sales rep, and they're going to know exactly where the pipeline is at, where the leads, what's been done, what hasn't been done, and all the information there. One pro tip that's really cool about using ClickUp is that it actually integrates with your email. And so you can comment and send an email from here and then get a history track of all the conversations. That's something that's really cool. I have to set it up. I don't want to set it up. You can also put a due date, today, later, tomorrow, and all of that. So this is going to help you organize all your different customers across the different stages in here. You could also view this a couple different ways. So now that we have our pipeline in here, we can do something cool. We can also look at this in a board, also like our Kanban board. That way we can see our pipeline, which ones we close, which ones we won, proposal, demo, intro, so you can see which ones we're moving. Ooh, this one we didn't close it, we called them back, got them back to proposal. Ooh, that's nice. And so here we could customize this, drag and drop, which is super nice. Now I'm lazy. I don't want to enter a new lead information, and I don't want to build a website and put a lead form on my website. That's a lot of work in IT. How can I build a simple form that anyone can enter and then they're automatically entered into my pipeline? That's a cool feature that you get, and that's called forms. And that's where you can create a custom form for your business. And you can say, I want you to enter the name of the business. I want you to send me your email. And also, we'll start there. Name and email, super easy. We'll call this new lead form. Nice, and then you can view it. Done. And then you could copy the link that's right up here. Copy that. And if you go to a new tab and paste that, that's a public website that your new business can come in and call. So then you can enter a name and email of your lead and click submit. It will send a nice little thank you message, and you could customize that too, which is really cool. Ooh, we're professional now. And then if we go in and just refresh our screen, we should have a new lead in our pipeline. We just woke up to a new lead. How awesome is that? Let's see. Bruce Wayne. Where is our Wayne Enterprises? Unqualified prospect. That is a qualified prospect. I'm going to change the status right up here. And that is, we're going to send him an intro call tomorrow. And now I'm going to assign that to John first thing in the morning. I want you to call Batman at Wayne Enterprises. And I want to make sure you get that deal. You close that Wayne Enterprises deal. Dope. So cool. So this is just a great way to help you organize and create a simple CRM using a template in ClickUp to allow you to manage your book of business better, like it's going to help you increase your revenue. It's going to help you stay organized by keeping all the details and information about the conversation, what has been said, what's the next steps, where are they at in the funnel, what are their needs, what are their what are their objections, like all of that information you're going to put in here to help you and your business and your team close more deals. So if you want to start today to learn how to use ClickUp in your business, you could click the link below, and I would love to level up your business. So let's take one moment, and I know we could think of one business owner, that one friend who's wearing all the hats, who's trying to do every job in the business, who is always on the hustle, 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 grind, grind, grind mode. All I ask is that you share this video with them so that they could gain awareness about the superpowers that's available, that are out there, and so that they could achieve more while doing less. I'm Jonathan Acuna. I hope you have a great day and stay blessed.